Salut mes amis. Today we're going to learn the secret rules of French numbers. Let's count from 1 to cent and even beyond. Are you ready? C'est parti. Feel free to pause and spend some time for each rule. Numbers 1 to 16 are the OG gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just remember them by heart. Répétez après moi. Can you say 11, 12, 13? Très bien. Now let's make combos. 17 to 19 are 17, 18, 19. So, 17 is 10 plus 7. Repeat with me. 18, 19. Easy, right? Meet the tens family. 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60. Say it with me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here's a trick use of ET, which is an only when the number ends with 1. 21, 31, 41. But after 80 no ET. So 81 is 80. Remember this. Now the French brain gym. 70 is 70. That is 60 plus 10. 71 is 71. 72 is 72. Then 80 is 80. That is 4 into 20. 90 is 80. That's 80 plus 10. Make sure you practice this tricky zone very well. All compound numbers from 17 to 99 use hyphens. 22, 78, 99. Always keep the parts connected, like a French family. Add an S only sometimes. Check the example in the image carefully. Now we look into big number rules. 10 is fun, which are 100s, usually ranges from 100 to 999. While writing these numbers in French, you need to be careful with the usage of S. Like add an S only when it ends the number. Like 200, which is 200. But 201. For 201 the S disappears. When another number follows no S at the end for cent. Mil is strong, which ranges from 1000 up to 999,999. While writing these numbers it never takes an S, even if it's many thousands. Example, 2000, 10,000. But million, which is from 1 million onwards, behaves like a normal noun. Add S in plural. While writing, see the differences for million, 2 millions. So remember, cent adds S only when alone, mil never, million loves S when plural. Félicitations. Congratulations. You've learned how French numbers work, from un to mil. Remember, use ET before un like 20 ET un. Combine tens and units smartly. Watch out for 80 ET 60. Mil is super easy, no S at the end and no da after it. And now, you can say any number up to 1000 like a pro. Super below. Great job. Don't forget to practice every day. And if you missed any rule, check the previous slides or video again.